Good day. This is Living with Grandpa John, and I came across a bunch of old photos of my sister, the oldest one, when she came down to visit us when my dad was sick. And the first set of photos is her going to the kangaroo farm over here in Arlington, Washington. And she seems to be having fun. By the way, her name is Teresa, and I forgot to mention that in the first part of the slideshow. Here is the second set of photographs that came across. This is around the same time frame where we took my son William, my daughter Cecelia, her family, little Peter, my mom, my brother Chester, and my sister Fern, and my sister Teresa. And we went over to Ocean Shores. And we just let them play around on the beach for a little bit. This is a little bonding time for us. And I don't know who all the people are there, but mainly we were just letting Peter have a lot of fun running around. We were going through a lot back then, with my dad getting sick and everything. So this was a nice time for us to relax.